Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Arjuna's Grief, Chapter 1, Shloka 30. The Gandiva bow slips from my hand and my skin burns all over. I am also unable to stand and my mind is whirling around as it were.
Chapter 1, Shloka 30. Gandivam sramsate hastat tvakchaiva paridahyate nacha shagnomyavastatum brahmativa cha me manah.
In the previous sloka 28-29, where Arjuna's anxiety state, neurosis, symptoms of physical, on the physical body, they were explained clearly. Now we are going to see some symptoms, more symptoms, continuing from that in this shloka number 30. Here we are seeing, we have a description of some maladjustments in his mental state, and these symptoms which are noticed are that he is saying that Gandiva bow which he was carrying, that is slipping from his hand, and his whole body is as if burning, and he is losing his balance. That means he cannot stand properly, steadily. And not only that, his mind is whirling around and round. So these are typical examples where we can say that his morale has come down. He is losing his discrimination very fast. And all this is giving room for superstitious omens to enter. And these superstitious omens, when they enter, then he sees indications of disastrous failures. And this is exactly what Arjuna is going. And we will see in his own words what he feels in the next video. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita commentary by Swami Chinmayananda available. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online.